What's going on, guys? So today I have some YouTube mail. Got two different things that came in the mail today. One I did not open yet, I just read the letter. So yeah, first thing here, read the letter, came with this. It says, "Hey Jeff, I've been meaning to send you an updated version of my bottle opener for some time now. A while ago Amazon gave me the boot and I started selling them on the website. Which turned out to be a good thing because I learned a lot more about web design. Recently, I've decided to stop making them and shut down the site because it just takes up too much of my free time. But I wanted you to have an updated version for your collection because I think the newer ones look much better. I'm a big fan and a fellow cutlery lover. I really enjoy your videos and wish you the best of luck in your new fitness goals. From Ted." And P.S. If you ever have, or if you ever need a video idea, I'd love to see a practical edge geometry video which tests different grinds. Even 50-50, 70-30, or 90-10 comparisons on different mediums. So yeah, thank you very much, Ted. As far as your video idea, it's a good idea. I thought about doing different series, you know, about different steels, different blade grinds, all that kind of stuff, the technical stuff. And to be honest, I may or may not do it in the future. There are other people in the knife community that are better at that kind of stuff, the technical details. You know, I'm always learning, just like you guys. And although I have a huge passion for knives and I know a bunch of stuff about knives, I don't know everything, so I don't know if I'm quite qualified to do that type of video series. But I know some stuff, you know, other stuff I can learn, but we'll see. Who knows what the future holds, right? But usually when I'm talking about something and trying to teach, I want to know that I know it very well before I try to pass on that information, you know. I don't know everything there is to know about grinds and different blade steels and stuff. I'm always learning. But if I ever feel comfortable enough to you know, talk about what I do know, you'll certainly see a video series on it. So this is the updated version of the bottle opener. If you guys remember this bottle opener, legal disclaimer there. So yeah, it's just a bottle opener, right? There's no way that this would be anything else. Very nicely finished though, and very cool. I do appreciate it. This one looks like the engraving is a little deeper. I don't remember last time if it was engraved or if it just had, you know, some kind of paint on it. You know, I really don't remember, but this just seems really, really, really well done. And the other person's letter did not open yet. See, open on camera. As soon as I saw this, I saved it for the video here. I'll read you a note here. It's pretty exciting. You probably already read it in the title. "Hey Jeff, I watch your videos all the time. I have a few knives myself, but no collection like you have. I like the real world stuff that you talk about. I didn't think you had a 3D printed butterfly knife, so I thought I would send you one that I printed. It is made from ABS plastic and snaps together. I am sending extra pins and a blade just in case. If you ever want anything 3D printed, let me know. I would be happy to print whatever. Please keep up the videos, and also I haven't seen a lot of bigger fixed blades. Do you like bigger blades as much?" And later, Daryl. So yeah, Daryl, I do like all knives, but I definitely use folders like 9 to 1. You know, 9 out of 10 times I'm playing with folding knives as opposed to fixed blades. I do take fixed blades out. I do enjoy camp type stuff. I enjoy, you know, playing around in the woods with my knives and testing them and stuff, but generally speaking, I don't carry large fixed blades on me, so they don't get used as much. When I have to do testing, you know, if I'm going to review a fixed blade, I have to go out of my way to do that, as opposed to like folders, I can integrate EDC action with regular testing. So yeah, I do like fixed blades. I like all knives, but I definitely focus more heavily on folders as opposed to fixed blades. But you've seen them in the past, and you always see them in the future as well. So yeah, I'm very excited to see this. I don't think I've seen a 3D printed Balisong yet. Ooh, look at this. All right, very cool. Don't want to lose those as the spare pins. Oh, this is cool. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I love these. This is really cool. Might throw one of these on my keychain. That is awesome. I've actually been really interested in 3D printing stuff. Just, you know, haven't dove into that yet. I'm sure if I ever got into it, it would be, you know, an obsession. That is super cool. See, pinned together. This looks highly functional. And it is, and it's nice and quiet too. That is really, really neat. Got a spare blade here, just in case. Hopefully, fingers crossed, nothing ever happens to it. I'm not gonna, I will flip this. I'll use it. It's really cool. that is awesome. 3D printed Balisong. So thank you guys really so much. I really appreciate it. Very, very cool gifts. You know, I don't know what to say. Every time someone sends me something, I am very appreciative of things. Just sometimes it sounds like repetitive, like, oh, thanks, you know, and it doesn't seem like a big deal. Every time I open something, whether it's a gift from someone or a letter or even a message on YouTube or on Instagram or something, it always makes me smile. I always appreciate it. And it's always like it's the first time. You know what I mean? It never gets old. So thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. If you do a 3D printing machine, this might give you a cool idea for a project in the future. You can make your own Balisong. But yeah, that's really, really neat. I love it. So thanks again, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.